So as you guys can see, I have a folder right here and there is a picture showing on this folder as you guys can see. So I will tell you how you can change that in Windows 11. So guys, it is pretty basic and easy. Right click on the folder, go to properties. When you go to properties, just click on customize. When you click on customize, then you'll see an option which is called choose a file to show on this folder icon. So we can just choose a file. We click on choose file, then you can select any file. What I will do is I will go to this folder and I will choose this file, guys, this file, or I can choose any of the file, guys. Right now let's choose this or this, anything. Okay, let's choose this. When I click on that, I will click on apply, and when I click on apply, you guys can see the picture is changed. Right now I am seeing another kind of image on my folders icon, but if I go to choose file again, then I can change that again, guys. I will click on apply and it will be changed again. So this is how you can change the picture of the folder, guys. So this is my default image which I use, but right now if I want to change any of it, then I can just do that to change the image, guys. This is very important setting you guys must know, and this will help you to know what's inside the folder. So yeah guys, this is how you can do that. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Subscribe this channel and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.